Muslim, we have to be careful to make a decision in our life. Find the best solution of your problem in your life, then make the best decision. Like our material today, we will learn about linear equation system in two variables. In mathematics, linear equation system in two variables can help us to find the best solution. Of course, in mathematics approach. Do you want to know more about that? Let's check it out. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you guys? Hopefully you are always in a good condition, okay? And today we will learn about linear equation system into variable. Okay, I think if you watch my video until then, you will get the really easy concept of this material. Okay, let's start. I bring the pencil case here and I have a puzzle for you. This pencil case contains of pen and pencil. If I give you information that the total of the number of pen and pencil is 7, can you guess how many pens and how many pencils in this pencil case? That's not possible, right? Because it could be 1 pen and 6 pencils, or 2 pens and 5 pencils, or 3 pens and 4 pencils, and so on. So there are many answers of my question, right? But if I give you more information about it, that the number of pens is 3 more than the number of pencils. Or we can say that the difference of the number of pen and pencils is 3. Can you determine how many pencils and how many pens in this pencil case? Yeah, good. Your answer is correct. There are 5 pens and 2 pencils in this pencil case. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 pens in this pencil case. And then 1, 2. There are 2 pencils in this pencil case. And then how about the mathematical approach to solve this problem? Let's denote the number of pens by X and the number of pencils by Y. So from the first information, we know that the total of the numbers of pen and pencils is 7. So we will get the equation X plus Y equals 7. And from the second equation, we know that the number of pen is 3 more than the number of pencils. So we can make the equation that X minus Y equals 3. The pairs of this equation is called linear equation system into variable, or we can say the system of linear equation or simultaneous equation. Actually, to solve linear equation system into variable, you can use algebraic method and graphical method. For algebraic method, you can use a substitution method, elimination method, or combine both of the method. Do you want to know more about the method? Look at this video. Now I will tell you how to solve this linear equation system with graphical method. In graphical method, you have to sketch the graph of the linear equation, and to sketch the graph you need at least 2 points, right? I will use for the first point is intersection point between the graph and x-axis. To find this point, you can substitute the value of y equals 0 to the equation. And then the second point is intersection point between the graph and y-axis. To find this point, you can substitute the value of x equals 0 to the equation. I will substitute the value of y equals 0 to the first equation. It will be x plus 0 equals 7. So the value of x is 7. Now you have the intersection point between the first graph with x-axis. It's 7, 0. Then I will substitute the value of y equals 0 to the second graph. Will be x minus y equals 3. So x minus 0 equals 3. So the value of x is 3. The value of y is 0. So the point is 3, 0. And then to find the second point,
is the intersection point between first graph and y-axis. I will substitute the value of x equals 0 to the first equation. It will be 0 plus y equals 7, so the value of y is 7. So the point is 0, 7. And then for the second equation, if I substitute the value of x equals 0, it's become 0 minus y equals 3. So the value of y is negative 3. So the point is 0, negative 3. For the next step is sketch the graph. To sketch the graph, of course, you have to prepare the Cartesian coordinate. Like this, it consists of x-axis and y-axis. Put the points you get, 7, 0 and then 0, 7. Make a line. It's the first graph with the equation is x plus y equals 7, and then put the point 3, 0 and then 0, negative 3, and then make a line. It's the line with equation x minus y equals 3, or the second graph. There is an intersection point between the first graph and second graph, and the coordinate is, look at this, 5, 2. 5, 2 is the solution of linear equation system. The value of x is 5 and the value of y is 2. So the number of pens is 5 and the number of pencils is 2. Now I will tell you how to solve the linear equation system with algebraic method. And in this case, I will use combined method, elimination and substitution method. Use elimination method first. In elimination method, you have to eliminate one of the variable. You can eliminate variable x or y. To eliminate one of the variable, you can use subtraction operation or addition operation. For example, if I want to eliminate x, I will use subtraction because x minus x is 0. So variable x will be eliminated. But if I want to eliminate variable y, I will use addition method because y plus negative y equals 0. So variable y will be eliminated. If you want to find the value of x, you have to eliminate variable y. But if you want to find the value of y, you can eliminate x. And in this case, I will eliminate x. So I will use subtraction method. Look at this. X minus x will be 0. And then y minus negative y equals 2y. And then 7 minus 3 equals 4. So you will get the value of y is 4 divided by 2, or the value of y equals 2. To find the variable x, I will use substitution method. In substitution method, you have to substitute the value of x or y into one of the equation. In this case, I found the value of y, so I can substitute the value of y to the first equation or the second equation. I will try to substitute the value of y to the first equation. It will be x plus y equals 7. Since the value of y by 2, you will get x plus 2 equals 7. So the value of x is 7 minus 2, or equals 5. Now, you have the value of x and y. It means you have the solution of the linear equation system. Finish!
Yeah, that's our math lesson today. I think in economical life, this material will be more useful for us. Thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.